August 2024, Yellowstone National Park. A scientist walked the familiar path, senses alert. Steam rose from the ground, a common sight in this land of fire and water, but oh, something was different. A new plume, thick and powerful, erupted skyward. It was a sight that stopped the scientists in their tracks. A new volcanic vent had opened. The air was thick with the smell of sulfur. The ground vibrated with a low rumble. It was a visceral reminder of the immense power that lay beneath the surface. The scientists knew this was a significant event, a window into the Earth's fiery heart. The discovery sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. Yellowstone, already famous for its geysers and hot springs, held secrets yet to be revealed. This new vent was a chance to learn more about the forces that shaped our planet. The vent was located in an area known as Roadside Springs, a place where the Earth's breath is visible to the naked eye. Here, the ground is alive, constantly shifting and changing, a testament to the dynamic forces beneath our feet. It was not far from a similar hydrothermal event that occurred in 2003, an event that drew scientists and tourists alike, all eager to witness the raw power of nature. The 2003 event was a stark reminder of the Earth's untamed energy, a spectacle of steam and heat that left an indelible mark on the landscape. This area, west of Nymph Lake, was a hotbed of geothermal activity. The lake itself, serene and beautiful, belied the intense geothermal forces at work just beneath its surface. The steam rising from the lake's edge was a constant reminder of the heat and pressure building below. The ground was scarred with the evidence of past eruptions, each scar telling a story of the Earth's violent past. These scars, etched into the landscape, were a testament to the relentless power of geothermal forces. The vent itself was a gaping maw in the Earth, a portal to the planet's fiery interior. It was a place where the Earth's inner heat escaped, creating a spectacle of steam and heat that was both mesmerizing and terrifying. Superheated steam, reaching a scorching 171 degrees Fahrenheit, billowed out with incredible force. The steam, visible from miles away, was a stark reminder of the intense heat and pressure beneath the Earth's crust. The ground around the vent was coated in a thin layer of gray siliceous clay, a byproduct of the intense hydrothermal activity. This clay, formed from the interaction of steam and minerals, was a testament to the vent's recent formation and the ongoing geological processes at work. This clay, a product of the hydrothermal activity, was a testament to the vent's recent formation. It was a reminder of the constant change and renewal that characterizes our planet's surface. The air shimmered with heat, distorting the landscape and creating an otherworldly atmosphere. The intense heat waves were a visible sign of the geothermal energy at work, a reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. The roar of the escaping steam was deafening, a constant reminder of the immense pressure and heat beneath the Earth's surface. This sound, both awe-inspiring and intimidating, was a testament to the raw power of geothermal forces. It was a scene of both beauty and raw power, a landscape shaped by the relentless forces of nature. The geothermal features, with their steaming vents and bubbling springs, were a stark reminder of the Earth's dynamic and ever-changing nature. It was a stark reminder of the forces that shaped our planet, forces that continue to shape it today. The geothermal activity, with its heat and pressure, was a visible sign of the Earth's ongoing evolution. The vent was a constant reminder that the Earth is a living, breathing entity. It was a place where the planet's inner heat escaped, creating a spectacle of steam and heat that was both mesmerizing and terrifying. It was a glimpse into the planet's fiery core, a reminder of the intense heat and pressure that lies beneath our feet. The geothermal activity, with its steam and heat, was a visible sign of the Earth's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Scientists believe that the new vent is connected to a vast underground reservoir, a hidden sea of molten rock and superheated water that lies beneath the surface of Yellowstone. This reservoir is not just a static pool of magma, it is a dynamic and ever-changing environment, constantly influenced by the geological forces at play. This hidden sea fuels Yellowstone's geothermal features, creating the spectacular geysers, hot springs, and fumaroles that draw millions of visitors each year. The geothermal activity is a direct result of the heat and pressure emanating from this underground reservoir. It is a volatile place, prone to shifts and changes. The constant movement of molten rock and the buildup of gases can lead to sudden and dramatic events such as geyser eruptions and hydrothermal explosions. The vent is located near a fault line that runs from Norris Geyser Basin to Mammoth Hot Springs. This fault line is a critical feature in the geology of Yellowstone, acting as a pathway for the heat and pressure from the reservoir to reach the surface. This fault line, a fracture in the Earth's crust, acts as a conduit for the heat and pressure from below. It is through these fractures that the Earth's inner fury can escape, manifesting as steam vents, geysers, and even volcanic eruptions. It is a pathway for the Earth's inner fury to reach the surface. The energy released through these vents is a reminder of the immense power and dynamic nature of our planet. The 2003 hydrothermal event located nearby is also believed to be connected to this fault line. This event was a significant reminder of the volatile nature of Yellowstone's geothermal system. It is possible that the two events are linked, a sign of shifting pressures within the Earth's crust. The movement of tectonic plates and the buildup of pressure can lead to a chain reaction of geological events. The vent is a window into this hidden world. It offers scientists a unique opportunity to study the processes that drive Yellowstone's geothermal activity and to gain insights into the inner workings of our planet. By studying the steam and gases it releases, scientists can learn more about the composition of the reservoir and the processes that drive it. This research is crucial for understanding the potential hazards and for predicting future geothermal events in Yellowstone. The new vent had a dramatic impact on the surrounding landscape. The once lush and vibrant area was now a stark and desolate scene. The ground, once teeming with life, was now a barren wasteland, a testament to the raw power of nature. The intense heat scorched the ground, killing vegetation and leaving behind a barren swath. Trees that once stood tall and proud were now charred remnants, their lifeless forms a stark contrast to the once thriving ecosystem. The earth itself seemed to cry out in pain, its surface cracked and broken. The air was thick with the smell of sulfur, a pungent reminder of the vent's presence. This acrid scent permeated the atmosphere, making it difficult to breathe and adding to the sense of desolation. The ground was littered with sulfur crystals, their bright yellow hue a stark contrast to the dark, scorched earth. The vent also altered the flow of water in the area. Rivers and streams that once flowed freely were now redirected, their courses changed by the intense heat and pressure. New watercourses formed, carving out new paths through the landscape and creating new habitats for wildlife. Hot springs bubbled up where none had existed before. These new geothermal features added a unique element to the landscape, their warm waters providing a stark contrast to the otherwise harsh environment. The hot springs became a new source of life, attracting various species to their warm embrace. Streams changed course, their waters heated by the vent's output. The once cool and refreshing streams were now warm and inviting, their altered paths creating new opportunities for life to thrive. The landscape was constantly evolving, shaped by the relentless forces of nature. The landscape was in a state of flux, molded by the forces of the earth. Every day brought new changes, as the land adapted to the presence of the vent. The ground shifted and moved, creating new formations and altering the terrain in ways that were both beautiful and terrifying. Animals were forced to adapt to the changing environment. Some species thrived in the new conditions while others struggled to survive. The wildlife had to navigate the new landscape, finding new sources of food and shelter in the altered terrain. Some species thrived in the newly warmed waters, finding new opportunities in the altered environment. Fish and other aquatic life flourished in the warm streams, their populations growing in the nutrient-rich waters. The new conditions provided a unique habitat for these species to thrive, while others were forced to relocate. The harsh conditions drove some species away, as they sought out more hospitable environments. The migration of wildlife was a testament to the resilience of nature, as animals adapted to the ever-changing landscape. The vent created a new ecosystem, a testament to the power of change. The altered landscape provided new opportunities for life to flourish, as plants and animals adapted to the new conditions. The new ecosystem was a vibrant and dynamic testament to the resilience of nature. Over time, the landscape would heal. The once barren land would slowly come back to life as plants began to take root in the nutrient-rich soil. The process was slow, but the signs of recovery were evident. As new growth emerged from the scorched earth, plants would return, finding a foothold in the nutrient-rich soil. The volcanic activity had enriched the earth, providing the perfect conditions for new growth. The landscape would slowly transform as greenery began to spread across the once barren land. Animals would adapt to the new normal. The changing landscape provided new challenges and opportunities for wildlife as they navigated the altered terrain. The resilience of nature was evident as animals found new ways to survive and thrive in the transformed environment. But the vent would leave its mark, a permanent reminder of the Earth's raw power. The landscape would forever bear the scars of the volcanic activity, a testament to the relentless forces of nature. The vent was a powerful reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Section 5. Echoes of the Past. The new vent is a reminder that Yellowstone is a geologically active area. The park sits atop a supervolcano, a behemoth capable of eruptions thousands of times more powerful than Mount St. Helens. The last super eruption at Yellowstone occurred over 600,000 years ago, While the new vent does not necessarily signal an impending super-eruption, it is a reminder of the forces at play beneath the surface. The Earth's crust is in constant motion, and Yellowstone is a prime example of this. The park is constantly monitored for signs of volcanic activity. Scientists track earthquakes, ground deformation, and gas emissions, looking for any changes that might indicate an increased risk of eruption. The new vent is a valuable addition to this monitoring network. It provides scientists with another data point, another piece of the puzzle in understanding the complex system that is Yellowstone. The new vent is a stark reminder that the Earth is a dynamic planet. Beneath the seemingly solid ground, forces are at work that can reshape continents and alter the course of life. Yellowstone, with its geysers, hot springs, and now this new vent, is a window into this hidden world. The vent's activity has decreased since its dramatic debut in August 2024. The once thick plume of steam has thinned, the roar has softened to a whisper. But it is still active, a constant reminder of the heat that lies below. Scientists continue to monitor the vent, collecting data and analyzing its behavior. They hope to learn more about the processes that drive hydrothermal activity and the role it plays in shaping our planet. The vent is a reminder that we live in a world of wonders, a world of both beauty and danger. It is a world that we are only beginning to understand. The study of the new vent is a meticulous process. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques to collect data. They measure the temperature and flow rate of the steam. They analyze the chemical composition of the gases released. They use ground-penetrating radar to map the underground structures. Each piece of data, like a clue in a detective story, helps to build a clearer picture of what is happening beneath the surface. It is a slow and painstaking process, but the rewards are great. By understanding how hydrothermal systems work, scientists can better predict their behavior. This knowledge is crucial for managing the risks associated with these systems, such as geyser eruptions and even volcanic activity. The new vent, while potentially hazardous, is also an opportunity. It is a chance to expand our knowledge and push the boundaries of science. Yellowstone's hydrothermal features are a delicate balance of fire and water. The heat from the Earth's core meets the groundwater, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The new vent is a reminder of this delicate balance and the forces that are constantly at play. Climate change is adding another layer of complexity to this delicate dance. As temperatures rise and precipitation patterns change, it is unclear how Yellowstone's hydrothermal systems will respond. Some scientists believe that climate change could lead to more frequent and intense hydrothermal events. The new vent is a valuable opportunity to study these potential impacts. By monitoring the vent's behavior over time, scientists can gain insights into how hydrothermal systems are responding to a changing climate. The knowledge gained from studying the new vent will be crucial for managing Yellowstone National Park in the face of a changing climate. It is a reminder that we must protect these natural wonders for future generations. The discovery of the new volcanic vent in Yellowstone National Park is a reminder of the awesome power and beauty of the natural world. It is a world that is constantly changing, shaped by forces that we are only beginning to understand. The vent is a call to action, a reminder that we must protect our planet and its natural wonders. It is a reminder that we have much to learn from the Earth and its processes. As we continue to explore and understand our planet, we can only marvel at its complexity and resilience. The new vent in Yellowstone is just one small example of the wonders that await us when we look closely at the world around us. It is a world of wonder. A world that we must cherish and protect.